Hey, 8th graders, me again, Miss Marlowe. I am going to show you in this video a little bit more with Google Classroom in terms of when you submit your work and then your teacher returns it, what you should be looking for and how you can find it and make sure that you can see your grade and make sure that you, if you have to fix something and resubmit it, how to do that. So remember, I had work for Miss Fuchs that I completed, so I'm going to go to her class and see if she has graded it and returned it. So I'm going to go to my classwork tab and I can see my assignments. Um, and I actually have to click on my assignments to see what um, what grade I got. So I'm going to click on this. I'm going to click view assignment. I can see that Miss Fuchs left me a comment over here. And she said, uh-oh, it looks like you didn't actually do this. Please finish it and resubmit it. So if that's the case, if you are asked to resubmit something, and I can see my grade right up here, oops, 1 out of 3. Ooh, I am not happy with that, right? So I know that I do want to redo it, so I have to click it back open. And this time I'm going to make sure, and your teacher may or may not have left comments for you on the actual document, so be sure to open up the document, look at those comments. So this time I'm actually going to go through and answer the questions. And once I have finished the whole thing, now I'm going to resubmit it. So again, I could click turn in here, or I can go back and click resubmit here. And then it'll say one attachment is going to be submitted. Yep, that's what I want to do. Turn it in. So now Miss Fuchs should have got a notification, but if I want to be sure, I can leave her a comment back saying, I finished it and turned it in again. And send her that, and then for sure she'll be able to see that I have finished this assignment and I'm waiting on her to regrade it. So now I'm going to go back to my other assignment and see how I did on my end of lesson check. So I'm going to go to view assignment. It now says graded because she has graded this. So I'm going to go to view assignment and I can see my grade right here, 4 out of 4. I'm happy with that. Good to go. If I wanted to look again at it, I could click, open it, and relook at or look at my responses. Another way I want to show you that you can do this a little bit quicker. Oops, sorry. If you click this view your work right here, then I can quickly see my grade on both of these. So I can see my end of lesson check, I got a 4 out of 4. My assignment, I got a 1 out of 3, but remember I resubmitted it. And if I click here, I can see our comments quickly and make sure that she knows that I want her to regrade it. Over here on the side where you have assigned, returned, and missing, that's another way to organize yourself and look at your different assignments. So if there is anything missing, something that you haven't done by the due date, you can always click that and it'll show you your missing assignments. So keep these things in mind this year while you are turning things in. Another thing I want to point out quickly is the People tab. So in Google Classroom, you can, for each of your classes, you can click on People and you can see the other people in your class. And then you can always email them or email your teacher quickly. So that's just another thing in Google Classroom. One other thing I want to make sure that you guys are aware of. When you are turning in assignments, so for example, on this one, if I wanted to, or if your teacher asks you to, oops, man, I'm all over the place today. If you have this, add or create, so if your teacher asks you to submit like a screenshot or submit a picture of your work, then you can click this add or create button and you can insert anything from your drive, a link if you posted something on a different website, you have a link to it, or if you have like a PDF file that's saved in you on your computer. So these are other options to insert your work for your teachers. And so you would just open it up there. attach it, and then submit it. All right, that should be all. Please let me know if you have any questions about work that gets returned or how to submit screenshots and other files.